Ingredients: 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1¼ cups of milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. Add the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar to the mixing bowl. Whisk the dry ingredients together until they are fully combined. In a separate bowl, beat the egg. Add the milk and melted butter or oil to the beaten egg and whisk together. Pour the liquid mixture into the dry ingredients and whisk until the batter is smooth. Let the pancake batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, scoop the batter onto the pan. Cook the pancakes until bubbles appear on the surface, then flip and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat until all of the batter has been used up. Enjoy your homemade pancake mix.